Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel, Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to continue sharing ways that you can use and maximize your use of Thinkific as an all-in-one platform for not only managing your business, taking payments, creating courses, and now you can create lead capture and funnels using Thinkific. So the reason why I wanted to make this video is because a lot of times we think we need lots of different website tools such as ClickFunnels or lead gen special website creators, and really Thinkific is aiming to be your all-in-one platform. The reason why it's important to just leverage one platform is it helps one reduce costs. If you end up using ClickFunnels or you end up using a lot of other different builders, it really adds up because then you're spending a lot of money on recurring subscriptions and you're starting to find they add up very quickly and it becomes a little bit overwhelming to sort out which ones you really need. So with Thinkific becoming and moving towards becoming this all-in-one platform for your business, there's more that you can do within Thinkific to keep your business within the Thinkific ecosystem and stay focused on your Thinkific creator business. So I'm going to show you how you can use Thinkific as a funnel. The idea is you create the product and then I'll walk you through the demo of how you can start setting up a funnel for a specific product. The idea is that Thinkific becomes an all-in-one platform, and then you can use this to also, inside Thinkific, manage all the leads that come in through either your lead capture and or your sales funnel. You can take those leads and then export them and put them into either MailChimp, ConvertKit, or MailerLite, any one of those email marketing platforms to continue communicating and letting your subscribers and leads know what you've been working on, any changes with the product, and getting feedback so that you can continue to hone the product and develop new products for future, so that you can also develop future products in your business. So now let's get started with our demo, the funnels, and how that works so that you can see how simple, how easy, and really how when you're just starting out, it keeps your business cost effective and allows you to later on scale and hire different people to help you with different tasks. This video is all about how to create a funnel inside Thinkific. The idea of using Thinkific, as I've said, is it's an all-in-one platform so that you create, start, and manage your entire business on the Thinkific ecosystem. While there are other platforms and sites that you can use to build your funnel, Thinkific wants to make it easy and accessible so that really it becomes your primary default website for everything. So if you are looking to expand and grow your customers through a funnel, the best way is often through a PDF. The best way to expand and grow your subscriber list is by offering something free in exchange. A lot of lead magnet examples I see include a free PDF workbook, template, or a free checklist, or a free ebook. There's lots of different digital downloads that you can offer in exchange for people's email address. And so the most common is this, what we call the free download funnel. And then that's one example. And then the other example is what they call a sales page funnel. So today I'm going to focus solely on the free download funnel and then come back next week to see the sales page funnel. Now, these are going to be very simple. They may not look typical ClickFunnels, but the idea is it focuses on getting it done. Sometimes we overthink the brand and the design and the look, and the most important is to build it, get it out there, get it working, and get people in your ecosystem. Because once you have them in your ecosystem, you can continue to nurture and grow and strengthen that relationship so that the leads become actual paid customers. Let's go ahead with this free download funnel. What I love about this is ClickFunnels and other types of builders are very complicated, and you can spend a lot of time trying to figure it out yourself and then messing it up and then figuring out how do you hire someone to fix it. Here, Thinkific walks you through step-by-step how to create that free download funnel. They're going to ask you what kind of lead magnet you're going to offer, and then you're going to select either a template. So sometimes people offer PDF templates, checklists, ebook, guide, whatever you want to call it. Let's just go with the most simple, common example, which is an ebook. So now they're going to walk me through the next step. I'm going to find an example of a lead magnet. Let's just say I have a human design chart that I am looking to upload a guide on how to understand your human design chart. It's something that I've been seeing a lot on Instagram lately, and so let's just use that as an example. And let's go to my human design chart. And as a PDF, I'm going to upload it, and that is going to be what people get as a template or a guide when they give me their email address. So after I've done that, I'm going to click on next. And then this is great if you already have started creating products. If you haven't, don't worry about it. But the idea is if you have created like some guides and supplements to your human design chart that helps people understand their chart, you can offer a one-time upsell. So maybe they are going to give you their email address, but you can say, hey, do you want to check out my template for $4.99? It shows you how to read every step of your human design chart. So then if you have a product, you can select it here as an upsell to their free PDF ebook download. But if not, as you can see, I don't have anything because it's a sandbox and I haven't built anything in this example. So I'm going to not worry about that. I'm going to go on to the next step. And then this is where with AI, there's a lot more efficiency. Now that you have created your funnel, started creating your funnel, the next step is now to decide, do you want to build the rest of the funnel page from scratch, or do you want to leverage the AI builder within Thinkific? So let's just say I'm ready to get this done quick and easy because I don't have time to build it from scratch. This is where AI helps give us ideas and a working canvas to begin from instead of a blank canvas. So I'm going to start with this AI magic and say this resource is for anyone who wants to understand and deepen their understanding of their human design. As they always say, specific details really help. The more details that I can put in, the more the AI and the machine knows how to create the kind of content and copy and text for me in my landing page. So maybe I could say understand and deepen their understanding the human design chart, the different elements that they need to pay close attention to, and what the different gifts in their chart mean for their business path, because I'm speaking directly to business owners who want to use their human design chart to guide their business. And once I've written that in, I can click on next. And then the problem I'm solving is that the human design chart is difficult to interpret and understand alone, and this breaks down every aspect of the chart so one can interpret on their own. I'm helping people with this guide break down how to read a chart, how to understand the different elements, and what to pay attention to. And then after you put some text, you put some outcomes to interpret their chart, grasp the direction of their business based on this chart, and this will help them in business plan out products and new hires. Once that's done, I now am letting the AI work its magic and generate the landing page for me. So now you can see that it has been generated and I get to check it out. So I'm going to check out the lead capture page to see what kind of copy they've created. So I can see this is pretty decent. There's still a lot of room to iterate in terms of style, in terms of text, but I think this is a great start. And so now you have something quick and dirty, and what you can do is, okay, modify these text here. And I can say get your free, instead of your say ebook now, I can add an exclamation mark. And then otherwise, this is great for a first time trial. And then if I want to change the colors, I can click here and go to brand styles and play with the colors, buttons, and layout. But let's assume that that's a good start for now. And then now I want to look at the next step of my funnel, because I want to then review the copy on this download page and to see if it meets my needs. And then I can say thank you, but I want to say thank you for downloading the PDF ebook chart guide. And then I will say enjoy. And then here's your download, and I can even change the button. And again, if I want to change the look of this, I can play with different fonts, colors. I highly recommend experimenting with different colors because this is very basic right now, but it's just to get you started, and now you have created something quick and easy in 5 minutes. So now once you've done all that and you like it and you're ready to go ahead with this as your funnel, you can click on publish funnel. And then if you want to change anything with the lead magnet type, or you want to export the leads, you can go ahead in your settings and export the leads and change everything here. If you don't like the funnel, you can delete it. But this is just a starting point, and let's just say you're collaborating with someone, you can give them this URL and let them see and give you feedback. And so that's just a quick and easy way in 5 minutes to create a funnel to generate leads that's just a quick and easy way in 5 minutes to generate leads and create a funnel to generate leads. And this is a quick tutorial on how you can create a funnel to generate leads for your business in as little as 5 minutes. Now, as I've mentioned before, this is very simple and basic, so please, if you plan to use this, change the color, change the font, and make it more to what you like, because this is just a good starting point. But it saves you a lot of time and it helps you get started in your business much faster. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you have questions or feedback, and I'll talk to you soon.